Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by turning on the Emoji keyboard so it's available system-wide. Open Settings, then Keyboard or Language and Input. This gives access to keyboard lists. Tap Add Keyboard or Keyboards, pick the emoji keyboard you want, and enable it. That creates the globe or emoji key on your keyboard. Once done, make sure any required permissions are granted so emoji can load. This step is essential, because without an active emoji keyboard, you can't switch or customize emoji layouts in apps or system input. With the emoji keyboard enabled, open any app that uses text input to test it. Tap the globe or emoji icon to switch. If you long press the globe, you can jump directly to a specific keyboard. This saves time. Next, customize layout and behavior in keyboard settings. Change size, theme, emoji suggestions, and create or edit shortcuts for frequent emoji. Make these adjustments so the emoji you use most appear faster. Customization improves typing speed and keeps your favorite emoji within reach. Finish by testing emoji in several apps to confirm consistent behavior. Sometimes one app caches old keyboards. If emoji don't appear, close and reopen the app or restart your device. That often resolves temporary issues. If problems persist, reinstall or reset the keyboard from settings, and check for operating system updates because compatibility matters. As a single troubleshooting tip, clear keyboard cache or reset keyboard settings before more drastic steps. This preserves most personal data while resolving display or input errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.